So there's a hurricane coming. So of course, what better thing to do than go to Disney? Today we're at Animal Kingdom. It's busier than I thought it would be. I thought it would be kind of empty because of the hurricane, but it's kind of busy right now. We'll see. None of the wait times are showing up on the app for Disney, so I have no idea what the wait times are. So I don't know if everything's like really busy or if it's just like, I don't know, but we'll see. We're going to ride the dinosaur ride because we have a fast pass for that, so that's where we're headed now. It's pretty empty in here. There's no one yet. Oh my gosh, it's so empty. Oh my gosh. It's so empty in here. I know, and then I was like, it's so much more fun to hold on. Candy. So we just rode the dinosaur ride, and now I think we're going to ride Primeval Whirl. Oh, look at all the Halloween stuff! So cute. These ears light up. And they have like cute little shirts and stuff. I literally want this so bad. It has like a pop-up castle in the middle. It's the coolest thing ever. But it's like 45 bucks. So nope. These are so cute. I have this one, the dopey one. Wait, where's my finger? I have that one because a cast member gave it to me because I was Disney bounding Snow White. Right now we're about to ride Primeval Whirl, which is a really fun, crazy ride. I love Dinosaur Land. It is so cute. It's only a 10-minute wait. We just got off of Primeval Whirl and they asked us at the thing like if we wanted to get on again and just keep riding it because there's literally like no one riding the rides right now. It's so weird. They've never asked us. Like usually, even if it's like not that busy and you ask, oh, can we go again? They'll always say no. Woo! But they asked us if we wanted to ride again. That's so weird. That never happens at Disney. I literally can't get over how unbusy it is. It's like empty here. It's so weird. Okay. For lunch, I literally just got fries and coleslaw. Show them what you got.
No.
Oh.
You're grumpy.
Really tell. But it's raining now.
It's a good time to eat lunch.
That means it's coming. It's coming, Maddie. Irma is coming. The first signs of the hurricane. No! Get away! You stay. Can I feed it? No! It's
Sophie, come on.
Okay, fine. Feed it the other way. You got it. Maddie, strike a pose. On our way to Africa right now to ride the safari ride. It just rained. So usually, we're in the fast pass line right here, but that's the standby line. Usually it's so backed up and there's like only a few people in it. It's so empty.
You're gonna have a full safari today. Lickens. But hippos, they don't really swim, they just walk or run. And their tongue is 18 inches long and black in color to prevent it from getting sunburnt. It's also prehensile, which means it can wrap around leaves and younger shoots on trees. I'll pluck them off and that is big. Pretty silly. Whatever they can find, really. And they toss it on their backs to gain natural sunscreen for them.
We just got off the safari and now we're on this like express train thing. I've never been on it before actually. So I don't really know what to expect, but we're gonna ride that.
I will be your conductor on the way over to your Rafiki's Planet Watch. I am located in the very back of the train, fully seated. Now over at Rafiki's Planet Watch, you can find lots of things to do. It is up to our affections.
That's so cool. So cute. Yeah. We're the only ones in this area right now, except for the photographer person, but it's still pretty empty. We just went to like the conservation station area, and there's all these cute animals that you could go in and pet, and like they have brushes and you could brush them, and this little pig came up to us and we were petting the pig. It was so cute. So now we're gonna take the train back and hopefully go to Pandora. So we're in Pandora and we're about to get the Night Blossom drinks, and then we're gonna go and wait in line to ride Flight of Passage, which is like the best ride ever. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You're in it. I love this drink. It's so good. It has like boba on top and everything. So usually we have to wait for like hours in this line, and we're walking right through it. That's how empty it is today. How empty.
It's like 10 minutes. And then
Say
I was
hi.
like,
genetic matching room. Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me? You've all got them.
We just got off a flight of passage, and it was good, as usual. Goodbye. We are headed out. We've been here for like most of the day. It's still not crazy busy, but a little busier than it was this morning. We didn't really have to wait for any of the rides too long. So that was cool. And yep, we just finished riding Flight of Passage. Maddie. So we're gonna peace out.
Recently he said that she said that we said some shit that you wouldn't believe. Recently he said that she said that we said that he said some shit about me. So wake up!